Why should we keep in mind when showing vouchers to travelers?
जब ट्रैवलर को ब्रोशर शो करते हैं तो एक या दो ब्रोशर्स शो करने चाहिए एंड ये बेस्ड करता है उनके नीड्स एंड प्रेफरेंसेस पे.
Wrong. What are the things which should be kept in mind when presenting the vouchers to the traveler?
Presenting one or two brochure to the traveler and this is based on needs and preferences to the traveler.
Right. What is it necessary to highlight the main element of voucher with highlighter?
Main elements should be highlighted and it may be reviewed by the traveler later.
Right. What is it necessary to talk to a traveler before presenting a voucher?
Talk to the traveler about their needs and their attractions,
Wrong.
desires.
When talking about the tour, what is it necessary for the traveler to get information from the traveler?
Repeat.
When talking about the tour, what is it necessary for the traveler to get information from the traveler?
About the tour.
Wrong. What do you need to ensure when you present a voucher to a traveler?
About the tour.
Wrong. What should the traveler be encouraged related with the vouchers?
Encourage them to read all the aspects in the voucher.
Right. What are the areas that should be specifically included in the voucher?
Repeat.
What are the areas that should be specifically included in the voucher?
Included and excluded of the included and excluded tours and excluded from the tours and cancellation policy and operators liability and responsibilities, deposit and payment important deposit and payments and
Right. What is the need to remember about the meeting related to the journey?
first